What's going on, legends? Morning. We're out again. Don't know if you can hear me, but the highway's just there. We're out again. Today we're setting a mission. I want to catch something big, a shark, a big shark as well. Something around that 9 foot would be lovely. So yeah, going to drive down to Port Lincoln. It's about a 7-hour drive. Fish overnight. Fish for today. It's only in the morning, so should get there about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And then yeah, fingers crossed. We're going to yak out some big bait in the kayak. Bailey's with us. Jack from Ozzo Fisho, he's probably going to join us as well sometime this evening. But yeah, fingers crossed we get something. I actually drove out here last week and all the way out here, got one run, pulled the hook within 20 seconds. So yeah, fingers crossed, second time we get the one. But yeah, I'm by myself for the first day, so I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not going to lie. Kayaking baits off Port Lincoln, even with other people, is a little bit scary, but by yourself, I wouldn't recommend doing it. I may not do it if I don't feel up to it. I might just wait till someone comes down. But yeah, let's go. Come on. Come on in you get. Come, yep. Kick out. Over, get over. So it's that 6.5 hours. Oh, beautiful, we're there. Why does this keep happening all the time, Bailey? Beautiful. Let's go and find an ice camp. Go from there. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Living the life, just relaxing. I can't quite fully relax because I know the tide comes up quite close here. So I've started to build a moat. I'll spend a little while on that, but I've got a line in the water, so anything can go on now. I think I'll kayak out a bait once I've got the camp set up and I'm established and I know that the moat's big enough, and I'll get another rod out and get the kayak ready, and I'll send it. Big bit of carp should get us one, hopefully. I think the tide's coming in, so when it comes all the way in, I'll feel a lot more comfortable when it's in. I'll sleep a lot better tonight. Last time we were here, it came so close, I didn't realise how close it was going to come. It stopped right at camp, so fingers crossed it does that kind of a game and the moat holds up. You know what I'm saying, Bale? You know what I'm saying, Sandy dog? Sandy dog. Beautiful. There's that box. You know, anyway, bit of frost sauce. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Now let's get back to me dog, because caution is coming out here. Stay! Fuck's sake. Bailey! I told you to stay, didn't I? Damn. It's been sitting out there for quite a while now. Just digging this trench.
just so I can sleep tonight. I feel much better than there's a trench in front of me and the waves. It might not work, but pardon me, sorry. It'll give us an extra 10 minutes to pack up gear. I'm knackered. Bailey's helping no good at all. Oh yeah, no good at all, you. Not helping, are you? No. Yum. Get it in. Yeah. Whole beach to ourselves. I'm gonna bite yet though, so fingers crossed. Hell. Good girl. Washed up. The only bit of rubbish I've actually found, so I'm gonna take it with me. I'll leave it there for when I get back. Woo! Let's get some sinkers. Come on. She ain't bloody good. She loves sticks, toys. Oh look, it's this bloody rock. Can you carry it? You can't. It's too heavy. No. Just collecting trash. She got me some sinkers. It was a bloody mission though. Woo! Here he is, the legend himself. Not too shabby yourself, brother. Bailey, she's good, she's friendly. Oi, can you let him get out of the car, Bales? Hey. How you doing?
Good, mate, yourself?
Yeah, man, it's good to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you as well. Hayden, right?
Yeah, what's it? Jack, legend, legend.
Rod in?
Yeah, bro, it's a pretty big fish, I reckon.
Alright,
Just film this run.
yeah.
Film the run. Alright.
I'd run it hard to the right anyway. Nice. Run hard to that right. Yes, bro! What did I say?
Still touching the rod.
We were walking over to the rods. I said, this is when it normally happens.
He's gone again.
Oh, you got some maximum drag on that. As soon as it starts looking left, I'll get that rod in.
Yeah.
But we don't want to be dumb and bass at night, so if you get one, I want to get one on my rod.
Yeah, bro.
Nice fish. This is a big fish.
It is a big fish. She's a cracker.
You want to come up a little bit more? I reckon one wave will wipe me out. Well, I'll freeze my tits off all night if I'm soaked.
Wait, what's going on?
up a smidge so I don't get soaked.
Alright.
I'm still in my trackies.
Oh yeah,
Sorry.
sorry bro.
That's alright, that's killer there, yeah, killer. When it comes to it, I'm getting in there. 10-15 minutes, I'll start getting fucking in my shorts and shit. I've lost one of the batteries on the head cam. What I might do, lovely.
Just went for a bit of a run then. Starting to warm up a bit.
Yeah, I bet. I'm gonna go and take a few layers off. It's a nice fish.
Head kicking like crazy.
Lovely. Oh, bro. Yeah.
He's fucking small, man.
He's only about a 6-footer. You want me to take it from here? Yeah, he's about 6 foot. He's got a fat little head. Get him. Put some mud on him, brother. Do you need me up there? He's bigger than 7 foot. Bro.
See it?
Lovely. Oh, it's a lovely fish, bro. Quick, stand next to him.
Yeah, I'll just get a quick measurement.
Oh yeah, nice. 8'2".
That's your bet.
Yeah.
Oh, you just hold that.
Sorry. I got him.
Hey, you just hold the nose, man, and I'll
Yeah.
get that.
Sorry, bro.
Fucking stay still.
Yeah, we're still good. Right at the nozzle, that one.
8'5".
8'5", lovely. 8.5 foot.
Right, so you can just get a couple quick hits.
He's got the kicks at the end. Yes, bro. Yes.
Good teamwork, bro.
But it's near my camp, bruv. I'd rather. Who wants to pick it up and put it in the bush?
I'll pick it up.
Go on, pick it up then. Don't get done, bruv.
Pick it up on top, bro. Oh, you settle down.
He don't have a big spiky back end, he's just big like a spider.
Oh! We got you, bro. Bailey, come here. Away. I got you, bro. Fuck. How are you, bro? Oh, morning, guys. Right. Really tired. Drive yesterday took it out of me for sure. But we got one last night. Yeah, 9 foot. Lovely. I'm going to see if we can get one in the daytime to get some drone footage of it. So we're going to fish for a couple more hours and then head back to Adelaide. 7 hour drive home. You. I just woke up, should go and get a stinker. So we can do another bait. I hope I get one, fingers crossed.